Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is system of units in 11th class physics. In 11th class physics we have a system of units today's topic. We have already discussed about these unit system. We have discussed about CGS system, number second FPS system, MKS system, number fourth SI system. We know that the SI system is the standard form of this MKS system, or we can say the SI system is the rationalized form of this MK system. We are using all over the world this SI system. In this SI system, we may today discuss about some basic fundamental units. There are 7 fundamental units. Basic 7 fundamental units. 7 fundamental units. Which are, for example, meter. Number first, meter for length. SI unit of meter for length. Number second, kilogram for mass. Number third, second for time, and number fourth, ampere for current, and number 5, candela for luminance of intensity. इसका हम कहते हैं शिद्दत, लाइट की शिद्दत को हम मेजर के लिए that we measure it in candelas, and it is measured in the by an instrument that is called lux meter. Lux meter is used by the in modern days by amperes. In the cricket field, they are using lux meter and showing the intensity of light and judging the intensity of light with this lux meter and to decide whether the image may be stopped or not. So that is measured in candela. That is a basic fundamental unit. And our number, we can say our number 6, our 6th unit is that is our current. For current it is ampere A. Current is measured in ampere A. Number 7, we can measure unit is mole. MOL, written as MOL, mole. It is for states of matter. We measure matter in moles. 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. It is equal to 1 Avogadro's number. We already know it in our lower class. It measures the matter. It is equal to how many particles? 6.023 to 10 raised to power 23 particles. Okay. So these are the 7 fundamental units, basic units of the measurement of our physical quantities. By using these units, we can derive another units. Those are called derived units. These are the fundamental units. Among these units, we use these units, and there are another units for the more and more physical quantities. Those units are called derived units. But the basic these fundamental units are these 7 units. In addition to these 7 units, we may use 2 supplementary units. We use 2 supplementary units. Those two supplementary units are, for example, we have maybe use radian, RAD, radian for a plane angle. Radian is for in radian we measure plane angle, and second steradian. It is denoted by steradian and denoted by SR. We measure with this steradian, written as SR. We measure it by a solid angle. What is a plane angle and what is a solid angle? We must know what is plane angle and what is a solid angle. For plane angle, 1 radian is equal to, for example, we make a circle here. Let us, it is center O, it is radius R, we make this angle in radians. When this angle is a 1 radian, this angle is equal to 1 radian. This angle is equal to 1 radian when this length of this arc, is equal to this radius of the circle. When the length, I may see length arc AB, if this arc AB, it is equal to this R, radius of the circle. Then the angle subtended at the center of the circle, that is equal to 1 radian. It is used in plane figures like circles. Radian is measured for measuring the angle in the plane figures. 1 radian is equal to the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc, any arc, whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Understood? Okay. Now let me show you this solid angle. It was a plane angle, solid angle. That's straight shown as SR. It is also an angle, but it is a solid figure. Plane figure, there is a difference between a plane figure and a solid figure. Plane figure means we are taking at this plane, like a circle, triangle, those are plane figures. But when it may be formed on a 2-dimensional, on we can say y-axis or x-axis. But if we have a solid figure, that is like a sphere. We can like a sphere. In sphere like this, there are this sphere. Like a ball, football, or we can say cricket ball, which is found in we can see 3-dimensional case. It has also a center. If the angle subtended at the center by we can say if we take this portion, just like a wedge shaped, it may be like a wedge shaped. If we put it out from this, like this, it forms an here angle. That angle is measured in the form of steradians. Now 1 steradian of a solid angle is equal to the angle subtended at the center of the solid figure. At the center of this, we can say sphere. At the center of the sphere, whose surface area is. इसका surface area हमें देखना है. Whose surface area ऐसे निकलेगा. इसका कितना, यहाँ से कितना एरिया होगा, यहाँ से कितना एरिया होगा, यहाँ से. Whose surface area is equal to whose surface area is equal to the area of whose surface area is equal to the square of the radius. Square of the radius of the surface. Radius, this is radius. This is radius. This is also radius. This is also radius. इसका जो हमने surface area होना चाहिए, that must be equal to the square of the radius. For example, if its surface area is equal to 44 units, we can say this 44 unit is equal to radius square. Or if it is a 36 units, we can say it is a radius square. Or in other words, we can say this radius is a 6. This radius is a 6. That is equal to 6 square. That is equal to 6 square. Square and square may cancel. We can say this radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Solid angle. Solid angle के नापने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? Steradian. These are radian and steradian. These are the two supplementary units. We may use these supplementary units as well as these basic units for deriving the another units or deriving the further units. Those units are called fundamental units.